Okay, breaking bad news po tayo. Talo po si Jerwin ng Kaas via knockout in round number 9. Body shot po ang tumapa sa kanya at mukhang hindi niya na po kinaya. Mukhang pagod na rin si Jerwin ng Kaas doon dahil ito po yung nangyari. Papakita ko po sa inyo ang quick highlight lamang po, no? At ito yung nangyari, guys. And Jerwin ng Kaas knocked out with the body shot. Ayan. Well, first of all, congratulate muna natin si Takuma Inoue. Takuma Inoue defended his belt. He is still the BC Bantamweight title, 144, round number 9. And let me state the obvious first. So, sa first round pa lang, nakikita na natin yung diferensya po ng bilis ng Takuma Inoue against Jerwin ng Kaas. Obviously, Jerwin ng Kaas is bigger. We expected him to have more power. Pero yung first few rounds po, kontrolado po kasi ni Takuma Inoue yung style, no? He was moving out, he was boxing, and alam natin yung gagawin ni Takuma Inoue. Now, meron pong success na ginawa si Jerwin ng Kaas. He was trying to go inside at talagang nakipagbakbakan siya sa loob, no? Jerwin ng Kaas had some success pag in-fighting po, no? In-fighting. But pag outside, yung diferensya po ng counter-punch, ang bibilis ng counter-punch nito ni Takuma Inoue. And that right hand keep landing and pati body shot. Sinubukan naman talaga ni Jerwin. He was trying to dig into the body. But unfortunately, sa tingin ko, mas napagod po si Jerwin ng Kaas kaysa kay Takuma Inoue na looks like talagang nandoon pa rin yung stamina niya even after that to that round. Parang the story of the fight, itong mga laban dito, puros mga body shots po ang nakita natin. So, ngayong araw na ito, natalo po si Jonas Sultan first round, natalo po si Jerwin ng Kaas 9th round. Medyo malungkot ang araw na ito para sa Filipino boxing. Ito na po sana ang ating pag-asa na magkaroon ulit ng world champion ngayon 2024. Pero mukhang maghihintay na naman tayo. No, Jerwin ng Kaas, Jonas Sultan, bawi na lang. Pati yung sa Amerika, si Almas at Binaobra, hindi rin po nanalo. So again, champion pa rin si Jerwin ng Kaas, si Takuma Inoue. Mabagal lang si Jerwin against Takuma Inoue. And matibay din yung Takuma Inoue. Hindi tinatablan talaga eh. Tinamaan din naman ng solid eh. Parang tinanggap lang yung mga body shot eh. Tingnan nyo to ulit ah. Ito yung nangyari, guys. And Jerwin ng Kaas knocked out with the body shot. Ayan.